Finally screwing down the box. Trying to get everything finished up on the underside. Here's that nut right here beside the box. Right here. Oh, here. I didn't know you could see me. The rest of them should be pretty easy because they're straight. I don't know why that one's so sideways. I must have just drilled the initial hole off or something. Ooh, that did take that off. Wow. This stuff is awesome. I didn't think that would come off that easy. I just let it sit on there. It's already loose.
Yeah, I can
Holy
get
smokes.
these tight.
Dude, that is crazy good.
My hand keeps coming off.
Yeah.
But yeah, I can get these now.
Alright, let's go ahead and get this oblong weird one. You want me to see if I can find you a ratchet wrench or a ratchet in the socket?
You'll be the one using it.
I'm just saying it'll go a lot faster.
Yeah.
Where'd you put that 7/16 you had when you worked on your truck? Or was it not a socket?
What 7/16?
For your air intake.
I think I put it on. Oh, it's on the workbench. It's in the one ratchet.
Every side, but what I'm looking for. Well, crap. Guess we're gonna have to do it the slow way. I can't find the socket still. Still haven't got a chance to organize. Here.
I'm getting it.
No, I'm saying, do you want the other socket, the other wrench? You got both wrenches?
No, you had the one.
What did I do with it?
I got these bottom too tight.
Alright, let's go to the top right, my side. Over here.
Alright, hold on. Let me get back up in here.
We're gonna have to tune our amps for this Christmas tree race so we can get the right amount of bass.
Ooh.
Don't get yourself in a way where you're gonna be stuck.
I won't get stuck. Probably easier. Use this on. Yep. Okay, I'm on it.
Like knot nuts tight.
Yeah, I think the threads on this bolt were screwed up because we
No,
hammered it through.
It's that nylon nut.
It ain't even through the nylon yet.
It's not?
No, it's the threads.
Oh dang.
Hold on, let me change ends.
Are you going with the opening?
I was. Oh, and I ain't on it.
No.
Your sub box still smells good.
Does it?
It still ain't on it. There we go.
I feel like I'm just moving your wrench, not the actual bolt.
No, it's going.
Is that touching? Oops.
You dropped it on me.
No.
Here you go.
Is that bottomed out?
No.
How is it so? Do that. Dude, it won't turn no more. Like, I'm literally gonna break this bolt.
That's
They must have screwed into the metal. See if you can tighten your nylock.
What nylock?
The nut.
It's not tightening it. I mean, I
It
can
ain't
try.
tight. How is that so tight on there? It's got a trust ring or something.
Here, you want to take it off?
No, I want it to tighten. It's not doing it. It's not tightening at all. It's stuck on there. This definitely shouldn't be that tight.
My
It
nylock
ain't gonna.
is
It ain't gonna
spinning.
fall off. It's gonna be the other top.
I mean, I can get that nylock tight.
No, you can't. It's only loosening. The stud ain't tight in the metal. Come over to this side.
I'm on it.
Okay. No, that's how it's supposed to turn. I don't know what's up the other side. We gotta get these shocks hooked up. We gotta get this compressor working.
I need to get a zip tie on this power wire so I didn't get into the drag shaft.
Well, you can do that while you're down there.
Yeah.
Any of those power wires, we gotta check that training cord and make sure the lines aren't bound up still. Make sure it's mounted, 'cause I don't remember if we ever finished it or not.
It's mounted.
Alright, that's tight. Good, that's done.
Ow.
That is done. D-U-N. Chad, don't worry about them. Do me a different favor. Over there on that parts shelf, on the far wall of the big shelf, one of those shelves has that duster for cars to get all the dust off. See if you can find that duster. Plug in the compressor. That's good.
Did you ever get your compressor to seal?
What do you mean?
I thought it-
Yep.
I thought it was leaking.
It doesn't matter if it leaks. I don't care how many times the pump cycle's on. If it's a small leak, it doesn't make a difference to me.
It was blowing air out.
Shay, let me show you this. See if this will work. I don't know. Give me that label spray and that rag. I just want to try a small spot where this glue is and make sure it's not going to hurt the Lexan. Didn't hurt my paint. Look how easy all that stuff came off.
Oh wow.
It did a good job. I'm just going to spray a little one here.
Oh, that's weird. I'm unscrewing the bolt, but I'm not unscrewing the lock nut.
I'm getting some of it.
Kind of sounds like a helicopter. Like way off in the distance.
Oh, there you go. You got it. Dang. Turtle Wax does a good job.
All right.
Wow.
I can handle that. It didn't hurt it.
Mm-hmm.
So what I wanted to see if you wanted to do, would you want to try to soak those down and
Yeah.
wipe them down. So the way it should work, if you do it, I'll show you. Look, you need zip tie, don't you, bud? I'm
I
sorry.
need like 2.
I got you laying down there waiting on me. I done went on another mission. You need long or 8-inch?
It don't matter.
Are you going around or cross member?
I'm going around the one by one
These are good.
box tube.
Fire. So I'm thinking if you just do this, I sprayed over there and just let it chill, and it did real good. So I think if you just coat it and then kind of just let it chill, but you can't let it chill on the rubber, because watch what it does. Yeah. So immediately wipe the rubber, but this stuff is fine in that. But I think if you leave that sit,
Oh, it smells yummy.
yeah, it's citrus. But I think if we let it break that glue down, we might be able to make this window halfway clean. And then I gotta repair that side with tape. Let's see if I can get that in the camera. Doo-doo-doo. 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 There we go.
Okay.
Ugh.
I
See that glue?
Yeah.
It is
Whoa.
breaking it down, but holy crap, that's gross.
Oh my gosh.
Just keep folding your towel as you go. Then you keep getting new ones. Ew, that's so gross.
Is it sticky?
No, it feels like, yeah, it feels like, not sticky, it feels like snot now.
Ew.
Yeah. Like, you know when you have a cold and you blow a little snot bugger on your finger? I did a wonderful job.
Did, holy crap.
I was kind of worried that it wouldn't come clean enough. That's got me a lot less worried. Holy moly.
Yeah,
So yeah, just
spray
take your
window
time.
cleaner on it.
You don't have to drown it. Just, and if you get any on the rubber, just real quick, just hold it and wipe the rubber. And just let it sit on there for a minute and break that glue down. Wipe what you can. If you have to, you can climb up in there, or I can pick you up. But you can stand on the frame, anywhere on the frame, and it won't hurt it.
Like right here.
Yeah, you can stand on that.
Sit on that.
Sitting on this, maybe not. Yeah, you might be able to. You're pretty light, but you can definitely stand on that if you want me to put you in there. And just kind of rub all that glue around, and it'll come off in your rag. Some of those go pretty quick because there's not a lot of glue left behind. And then just make sure you get it all off the window, and then we'll go over the window and actually clean it with glass cleaner when we're done. Wow, I can't believe how good that's coming off. This is what I'm using. Label and sticker remover. This stuff's amazing, citrus based. Wow.